Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a natural tutorial. I want to try that natural look because honestly I've been seeing everybody talk about it. Beyonce did it, so I want to do it too. Honestly, I have done my makeup naturally sometimes, so this should be pretty easy, but we're gonna see. So I already did my eyebrows. First I'm gonna put on my primer. This is Too Faced Poreless. Today I'm using my Covergirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation D70, which is Cappuccino. So I haven't used this in a while, but I'm going to because when I did use it, I used it in the summer and I think it would be cool. Hopefully it still matches my skin. I'm going to use a brush a little bit. So now I'm going to use the NYX concealer. This is CW08, the color. Oh, it's Nutmeg. It's their HD Studio Photogenic concealer. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. And my damn beauty blender again. And then I have my LA Girl Pro Conceal, which is Mahogany. So we're gonna put a little bit of that on there. Beauty blender. So now I want to put on a little bit of mascara and maybe a little bit of eyeliner. And then for my glow, I'm going to use Wet n Wild Mega Glow. Yeah, I guess that's the name. I guess this color doesn't have a specific name, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. Just give us a little bit of a glow. Excess blush from my brush that I use. Okay. So y'all, what do you think? So yeah, that was my natural tutorial. I'm gonna put a little bit of setting spray on, which is my e.l.f. setting spray. So to me, this is natural. Just no, like no heavy makeup, super light makeup. One that just kind of, just you feel like you don't have any on. That's how I feel right now. I just put a little bit of each product. You can still kind of see, my cheekbones and everything like that. So to me, we're done. And the job is done here. Leave a like, leave a comment, leave something. Tell me if I did good with this. And I hope you learned something. Like always, I'm off this.